नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. I welcome everyone sitting with us through Nityananda TV, two-way video conferencing, YouTube, Facebook Live, having Nayana Diksha all over the world. With their blessings, let's start the initiation. Today, I am going to connect the length, breadth, depth with third eye and body scanning and healing. Listen, still some of you may not be completely manifesting the earlier initiation, but you don't have to worry. That is the way sometimes your system functions. After I tell 50 jokes, you will start laughing for the first joke. You will understand the first joke. No, that goes on, that happens, what to do? So, after I finish the 50 initiation, I can read third eye. அது போன சதாசிவத்துக்கு கொடுத்த தீட்சடா. அது இனிஷியேஷன் கொடுத்து 1 வருஷம் ஆயிடுச்சு. But what to do? There are some people only. This is the logic with which they function. And it's okay. At least they function. See, fundamentally, I am doing something which is unprecedented, to tell you honestly, which was never done earlier. So the product I am delivering also is unprecedented. So the integrity I demand also is unprecedented. The kind of a whole life need to be just opened and intensified. Kind of an intense connection I had with Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Even with that connection, it took 9.5 months to fully download the whole thing and to fully manifest, start manifesting the whole thing. With this initiation, you can change the size, shape of the organs. Understand? Just this one initiation, if you all master, you can just go on living whatever time you want. Because you just need to alter your organs and rejuvenate and freshen up, that's all. It's like every morning, if you just switch the reboot button, press Control Delete and reboot, over. You go on living. You master the time. I know a lot of fundamental principles need to be understood. Unfortunately, humanity has moved so much away from nature. Even basic few things look so complicated and difficult. Sometimes I feel like I am living in a different world and you are all living in a different world. It is not few feet distance, it is few world distance. Because the cognitions I carry, the conclusions I have. Listen. The cognitive shift you need to have for this initiation. Listen carefully. I'll repeat once more. Hinduism is not faith-based tradition. It doesn't demand your faith. It is integrity-based tradition. It means, let me explain. Listen carefully. There are some fundamental understandings about the cosmos. You commit to understand that and be integrated to that. That's all. Some of the cosmic principles. No one owns anything. Only violence is sin. I am not saying you can go and rob. If you rob and that fellow is affected by it, you will incur sin, because his suffering will create karma for you. But if nobody suffers, there is no suffering at all, you don't get any karma. Understand? You can't say, oh, let me just rob the water of the river. No. In Hindu tradition, even the river is a living energy. So I am not saying go and rob. All I am trying to tell you is, what is right, what is wrong, you need to know. So you can constantly function based on cosmic principles. Violence is the only sin. Nothing else is a sin. Nothing else is a sin. Anywhere pain is created, only then it is a sin, not otherwise. But if someone blackmails you, oh, don't do that, then I will become painful, that doesn't come as a karma to you. One of my relatives threatened, blackmailed that she will commit suicide if I become a sannyasi. I said, quickly finish it, let me finish all the last rites and then I will go. I said, quickly finish. I have only few more days to go. Let me finish your last rites and then I will go. She did not commit suicide. She started screaming, how dare you tell that I should die? I did not tell you should die. You only said you will die. Why should I die? For your sake? I said, I did not tell you to die. That is what I wanted. I want you to live long, happily, happily. I did not tell you to die. You threatened me that you will die if I become sannyasi. In India, we have a funny kind of relationships. It is all about the social prestige. And one of my uncle, I should describe the whole thing in Tamil and translate, only then it will be really wonderful. Because it's an incident happened in my life, very important but funny incident. Now we have to enter into initiation, so later on I will describe this incident. The essence I wanted to convey to all of you, understand. Decision to understand, come to cosmic conclusions inside you and be integrated to that is what is integrity. Listen carefully. Continuously contemplating what is cosmic principle and searching is what is called seeking. Vyakulata, Pratyagatma Chaitanya Jagrata, individual consciousness waking up and searching. Every moment thinking, what is the cosmic principle I am supposed to follow now in this situation? And going on aligning ourselves to it. Now, the power manifestation, the initiation and power manifestation you are going to have, it is working with people, understand? You are going to be healing others. So the cosmic principle for which you need to be in tune, you need to be integrated. Let me heal the whole universe. Let me enrich and cast the whole universe. Life is for others. Understand? Because whatever you think as you is stinking so badly, it cannot be cleaned now. Decide life is for others. Whatever you think as you which is stinking will automatically dry down. So your idea about you also has become stinking like that. Forget you. Life is for others. With this decision, be ferocious with this decision. Be ferocious with this cognition. Decision to enrich and cast others' reality. Be ferocious with it. Few minutes before entering into initiation, pen down all the incompletions you want to complete, impossibilities you want to break, guilts you want to burn, anything you want to get rid, pen down, even if it is your mother-in-law. Whatever you want to get rid in your life, pen down. Whatever you want to complete, pen down.
உண்ணாக்கீசர் நற்றவத்து புலத்தியரும் பூனை கண்ணர் கந்தியிடை காடரும் போகர் புலிக்கை ஈசர் கருவூரார் கொங்கணவர் காலாஞ்சி சிந்தி அழுகண்ணர் அகப்பேயர் பாம்பாட்டி தேரையரும் குதம்பயரும் சட்டைநாதர் செந்தமிழ் சேர் சித்தர் பதினெண்மற்பாதம் சிந்தையுன்னி சிரத்தணியாய் சேர்த்தி வாழ்வாம்.
Let's start the initiation. Whatever you wanted to complete, pen down, sit. Now apply Jnananjana Raushada on your third eye. If you have Atmalinga, get the Atmalinga out and let's start the initiation. Om Nityananda Maha Sadashivoham. Om Nityananda Maha Sadashivoham. शिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द महा सदा 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 शिवोऽहम्
अगस्त्यர் மூலர்
ॐ नित्यानन्द महा सदा शिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ சிவோகம். ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா 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 சிவோகம். ஓம் நித்யானந்த சதா சிவோகம். ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா 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 சதா சிவோகம். Chant intensely.
உத்தாரம் இப்படியே புராணம் காட்டி உலகத்தில் பாரதம் போல் கதையுண்டாக்கி கர்த்தாவை தான் என்று தோணவொட்டா கபட நாடகமாக மேதஞ்சேர்த்து சத்தாக வழியாக சேர்ந்தோக்கில்டா சதியுடனே வெகு தர்க்கம் பொருள் போல் பாடி பத்தாக சைவர்க்கு ஒப்பனையும் பெய்து பாடினார் சாத்திரத்தை பாடினாரே. பாடினதோர் வகையேது சொல்ல கேளு.
ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா சிவோஹம். 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 ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா சிவோகம்.
ஒன்றை மாறி
ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா சிவோகம். 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 ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா சிவோகம். ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா சிவோகம். ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா சிவோகம். Just sit silently, intensely, allowing the Kundalini Shakti to manifest in you. Om Nityananda Mahasada Shivoham. Om Nityananda Mahasada Shivoham. Om Nityananda Mahasada Shivoham. குண்டலினி, குலகுண்டலினி, எல்லா உயிருக்குள்ளும் விழித்தெழுந்து ஞானமும் சக்தியும் பொங்கட்டும். ஆதிசக்தி அம்பலவானன் பாதியான ஜோதிசக்தி நீதியே, பிரபஞ்சத்து பெருவெளியே, அன்னையே, குண்டலினி உயிர்த்தெழு, வெகுண்டெழு, உயிரெல்லாம் மலர்ந்திட, உணர்வெல்லாம் பொங்கிட, எல்லா உயிருக்குள்ளும் உயிர்த்தெழுந்து ஆதிசக்தி வெளிப்படு. ஆதிசக்தி உயிர்த்தெழு. ஓம் நித்யானந்த மகா சதா சிவோகம். 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 Mahasada let your breathing space fill all the beings connected to me now. Let your breathing space manifest as powers of the third eye, ability to scan, heal, alter any size, any shape, any way with independent intelligence. Teleport, materialize any part of the human body. Om Nityananda Maha सदा शिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द महा 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 सदा शिवोऽहम्. Sit straight, close your eyes. Let's raise the Kundalini. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Sit straight and close your eyes. Allow the Kundalini Shakti to move intensely. You can all open all your three eyes and manifest Sadashiva's powers. Listen carefully, intensely again. Hypocrisy does not work in life. Decide with all your intensity, authenticity, to take responsibility to enrich and cause others. Become part of the Sangha, so every day you can go on manifesting. Understand, because you can't do it on your own, you need to be given. Sangha is the atmosphere I am creating for you to flower and manifest your ultimate space, Sadashivatva.